Hey everyone, this is Rajiv and welcome to this video. In this video I'll show you how to install WordPress using Cpanel. So let's get started. This is three-step process. Step 1, you need to connect your domain with your hosting. And if you purchase domain and hosting with same company, then you can do it easily. If you purchase domain and hosting with two different companies, then you have to do some extra work. So if you want to learn how to connect your domain with your hosting, then you can watch my previous video. I have included video URL in the description and also included the video in card section. So if you purchase domain and hosting with same company, then log into your cPanel, then click over add on domain and add your domain here. So your domain name, your subdomain and document root where you will be install your WordPress file, and click over add on domain, then it will be create a file inside file manager. Step 2, you need to install WordPress raw code from wordpress.org. All you have to do is visit wordpress.com/download, or you can visit wordpress.org. After visiting wordpress.org, you will see an interface look like this. Then click over Get WordPress. Then click over the Download WordPress button. Then you will see this WordPress file will be start downloading automatically. Now we are in step 3. We'll be install our WordPress file inside our cPanel. So log into your cPanel again and click over the file manager. In here you will see the folder that you have created using add-on domain tool. Now upload the WordPress file in here. Click over upload and click over select file. Select the WordPress zip file and upload it. In here you will see WordPress zip file and you need to unzip this file. Select this file and hit over extract. Then extract file. So WordPress extract all the file inside WordPress file. So you need to move all the file from this folder to the main folder. So now we move all the file inside our created folder. So you will see this file that we unzip inside WordPress file, and then we move all the file into our main folder. So now visit the site that we want to install WordPress. So refresh this site. So let's click over continue, and now we need to create database. That means we are in step 4. In this step we need to create database and we need to connect our database with our WordPress file. So in here we need to create database name, database username, password, database host and table prefix. Now we are in our cPanel and we are going to create database. Click over here and in here click over MySQL database, MySQL database, and then you will see an interface look like this. In here you need to create a new database. So type your database name here and click over create database, and database created. It's very simple to create database, and we need to create an user also to connect with our database with user. So let's create a new user for this database. and then create user. Once you have done, then you need to add user with this database. And we have selected our database and we need to connect our user with our database. So now we have created our database, we are also created user for database, and we are also connected our database with our user. So let's fill up all of this information with our database name, username, database username, database user password, and database host. Then click over submit. Done. So we have installed WordPress correctly using Cpanel. And if you click over run installation, then you need to put your site title, username, and password so that you can log into your WordPress admin panel. So all the thing is done. So viewers, finally we have installed WordPress using Cpanel correctly. All the things we did right away. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. If you have any question, feel free to ask. If you need any help, feel free to contact with me. I have included my email address in the video description section. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.